there, just listen with caution. It's Wayne B who's rapping, no nonsense. So what you're hearing is nothing daring. A typical hip-hop beat was just blaring. So when I hit the stop, I just can't stop. I'm only guaranteed to make your body rock. I'm gonna lap it out. I'm probably turning it out hard. The people just jump and shout it out.
What's when you want me? When you want me? What's when you want me? A different story. What's when you want me? When you want me? What's when you want me? A different story.
When I was dancing Saturday night, just cooling and prancing. Look in the corner, look who's dancing. Went to this girl, oh yo, what's happening? What's the name and where you're going? Is this for real? Cause I ain't joking. Went to the bar, bought a bottle of wine. This girl really going on like she's just too fine.
When you want me, when you want me, what when you want me?